Hi guys, welcome to another session of Google Ads. Today we're going to look at how to create a Google Ads display campaign. In order to create a display campaign, we're going to click on campaigns under recommendations. And from here we can build a new campaign with the help of this plus button. We can select new campaign and now we can select a goal for this campaign which we are planning to build. Let's say we're looking at sales for today. And here we can select the campaign type. So we're going to go with display. Under display campaign, there are three types of campaigns we can create. One is your smart display campaign, then you have standard display and Gmail campaign. Today we are going to look at how to create a standard display campaign. You can provide your website URL out here and you can click on continue. Now here on this page we're going to give all the campaign related details. So starting off with the first thing will be the name of the campaign. Then you can give your location targetings. Now in location targetings you can give all types, like you can target a whole country. You can also target a particular state. You can also do a city targeting. You also have an option to do radius targeting by hitting on the advanced search and you can select radius over here. You can give your radius and type the area. If you don't want to show your ads on particular areas, you can also select that and you can click on exclude. You also get an option to do location targeting options wherein you can target specific people who are in your targeted locations or who are showing interest in it from this section. Next, we are looking at languages in which you can do language targeting. You can select the languages of the customers which they speak from here. Next, we are looking at bidding strategy. So here you can decide the type of bidding you want to do for this campaign based on your objective. Now, since we have chosen sales as the objective, we can choose maximize conversions. We can set a target CPA over here. If you don't want to go ahead with this, you can select a different bidding strategy from the last option, which is or select a bid strategy directly. You'll get multiple options to select from out here. So select the one which is right for your business. Next, you can specify the budget for the campaign. How much money are you willing to spend on this campaign on a per day basis? Next, when we look at additional settings, we can also set up ad rotation. Ad rotation is basically a concept wherein the system will try to show more the best performing ads more often if you choose optimize as the option. Then you have ad schedule, which basically means that you can schedule your ads to run on particular days of the week and time. So you can choose those days from here and set up the time here. You can also give a start date, end date to this campaign. You can give a future date if you want. If you want to specify a end date to the campaign, you can do that also. And then you can do device targeting, which is basically an option wherein you can select specific operating systems, devices which you want to target, and networks as well. So let's say we're looking for operating systems and I want to target specifically Android and iOS, then I can do it in this manner. And in devices, if I want to particularly look at Android devices, I can pick the ones which I want from here. I can also go to networks and choose maybe Wi-Fi and the network providers from here. Then we are coming to campaign URL options. Campaign URL options is basically a way by which you can set up a tracking template on your ads so that it is used for targeting, better targeting. Dynamic ads option is used for running dynamic remarketing From here you can do that. Conversions, you can also set up account level conversions and campaign level conversions by selecting this second option. And the last is content exclusions, wherein you can select certain, you can decide to exclude your ads to show on certain types of content by selecting the topics from here in this manner. Once this is done, we are coming to the end of a campaign level details required, and now we are entering into the ad group level. Here you can give a name to this ad group, and then the system will give you an option to do the targeting for this campaign. Now you have two options over here. One is automated, which basically means that the Google is recommending that they will take care of the targeting for you. They will decide which websites to target your ads on. Or you have manual targeting, wherein you will decide yourself, you will manually select all the types of targetings you want, the audiences which you want to target yourself. So you have an option to select any one of these. For today, I'm looking at automated targeting. And then you're coming to the ad creation part. Here we are going to create a new responsive display ad. In order to create a display ad, the first thing which is required is we have to provide the final URL. Final URL is basically the landing page where people reach once they click on our ads. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to our website and pick a landing page from there. Let's say this is the landing page which we want, and we are going to put it out here. Then we can add some images to this ad which we are creating. The system is automatically going to scan our website and pick some images from here. So if you want, you can select those and create your ad, or else you can just select your website and try out the stock images option which they give, where they have some pre-built images based on your business. So you can select some images from there. For now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select one of these images. So now, as you can see, we have attached the image, and what is required is we have to fill up all the headlines. So now you can start writing your ad over here on the left hand side. Make sure that we are making use of the complete space provided. All right, the more information you are able to provide, the better it is for you will get more better performance and people will click on your ads. In this manner, you can fill up the details. As you can see, there will be multiple headlines. They also provide some ideas based on your website, which you can consider adding to your headlines. You can also provide a long headline over here. You can provide some multiple headlines and give more information. Like this, you can provide as much information. And lastly, you can provide the business name. You also get an option to add some additional formatting options over here, okay, which you can apply as well. Apart from that, if you want to apply some tracking templates on your ads, you can do it from add URL options. The system also gives you an option to implement, to put a call to action text So if you want, you can select some of the relevant call to action text from here. Let's say we are doing book now. And now you can see the ad has been created. This is how the ad is going to look like on a mobile device. And if you go on the desktop version, it will show you how the ad is going to look like on that device. This is all. And on the Google properties, you can also see how the ad is going to come when it's opened. Okay, once the ad is created, you can click on add to ad group. And now we are coming to the end of campaign creation. Once the campaign is created, the ads are going to go for a check. As you can see, now we have created this campaign called display November 8, in which we have created one ad group. If I click on the ad group, I can see the ad created inside it. If you click on that, it will show you the preview of how the ad is going to look like. Okay, so you will find the ad over here. And as you can see, the ad has gone under review. They will take 1 business day to review and check your ad and let you know whether the ad is approved by Google or not. Okay, once the ad is approved, the campaign can go live. In this manner, guys, we are going to build our standard display campaign. Okay, I hope this information was useful and you liked this video. If you liked it, then you can subscribe to my channel and hit a like button on this particular video. Thank you so much, guys.